Today we're going to show you how to make a clever knotted headband that you can make in either knit or woven fabric and can be made for either kids or for adults. This is part of our scrap busting series where we show you how to use your leftover fabric scraps to make all kinds of projects that are both beautiful and useful. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our scrap busting videos. Drew is the perfect knit scrap busting pattern. This mighty little headband features a clever knot detail plus a stretchy elastic band, making it comfortable and forgiving in fit. With two sizes, one for adults and one for kids, you can make Drew for yourself, a pal, or the kiddo in your life. You can make a solid colored Drew headband with your scraps since it only takes about half a yard of fabric, or you can sew your scraps together to create a patchwork headband like this. Check out the first video in our scrap busting series to learn how to do this. Now here's Sienna with the full tutorial.
For this project, you'll need all-purpose polyester sewing thread, a sewing machine needle appropriate for your fabric, some 1/4-inch braided elastic, and a small safety pin. Go ahead and cut out all of your pieces. I'm making two headbands. One is using leftover knit fabric, and the other is using some leftover woven fabric. If you're also using a woven, I suggest finishing all edges of each pattern piece without removing any seam allowance to keep it from unraveling with wear. First up, we're going to assemble the elastic cover. With right sides together, fold the elastic cover in half lengthwise, aligning the long edges. Pin and stitch at 3/8 of an inch. Attach a safety pin to one short end of the elastic cover and use it to turn the tube right side out. Then remove the safety pin. Fold the elastic cover so the seam is centered and press in place. Now we're going to insert the elastic. Attach the safety pin to one short end of the elastic, then feed it through the cover, stopping to align and center the short end of the elastic without the safety pin with the raw edge of the cover. Pin and baste in place at 1/4 of an inch. Continue feeding the safety pin through to the other end. Remove the safety pin and center the other end of the elastic with the raw edge of the cover. Pin and baste in place. Next, we're going to assemble the headband pieces. With right sides together, fold both headband pieces in half lengthwise, aligning the notches and circle markings. Pin between the circles and stitch from one marking to the other on both headband pieces. Turn the headband pieces right side out. Place one headband piece with the seam line facing upwards. Bring the raw edges between the section of stitching in the middle together, matching the circles. With right sides together, pin in place, then stitch, ending as close to the circle marking as you can. Repeat on the other side, then turn the headband piece right side out. There will be a loop at one end here. Thread the second headband piece through the loop with the seam line facing upwards. Then we'll sew the edges together just like in the previous step. Once both edges are sewn, turn the unit right side out. Next, we're going to attach the headband elastic cover. Align one short end of the elastic cover with the seam line of one raw end of the headband unit. Fold one edge of the headband unit covering the elastic cover. Fold the other edge on top. Stitch at 3/8 of an inch. Be sure to backstitch to secure. Turn the end right side out and repeat on the other side. Thanks for following along. If you make the Seamwork Drew headband, we'd love to see it. And let us know in the comments your favorite scrap busting projects. Happy sewing!
When you join, you get access to our entire catalog of over 200 modern sewing patterns, from quick and easy tops to wear anywhere dresses to tailored blazers and pants. We help you to design and craft your own wardrobe. Membership also gets you access to Design Your Wardrobe, our popular course that walks you through a process for laying out a seasonal wardrobe that you can sew. Plus, membership includes our library of dozens of sew-along classes, and best of all, access to our private sewing community, including tens of thousands of members where you can post projects, ask questions, and even find sewing friends near you. I hang out there all the time along with Haley and the rest of the team here at Seamwork, and I'd love for you to join me. YouTube subscribers get half off a Seamwork membership, making it an incredibly good deal. To sign up, just click the button on screen or the link in the description below to claim your offer. I hope you loved this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one.